Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best OBD2 Scan Tool. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT624 Elite. NT624 Elite code scanner for vehicles comes with 10 OBD2 diagnostic function and the most commonly used service reset functions, oil service and EPB reset service. The biggest advantage of NT624 Elite car diagnostic tool, which makes it different from other auto scanner with the same price range, is that it can diagnose many other systems. Read codes, clear codes, live data, read information are available for car all electrical control modules, such as BCM, HVAC, BMS, digital radio, instrument cluster, TPS, park steer assist, DPF, headlamp, DSC, DME, immobilizer, steering wheel, wheels and more. NT624 Elite OBD2 Scanner provides quick diagnosis on all available systems of 1,000 plus worldwide mainstream cars models. With Auto VIN Scan feature, this Foxwell scanner provides quick and accurate vehicle identification via Auto VIN Scan, helping you pinpoint the cause issue quickly by reading codes, freeze frame and real-time live data. This NT624 Elite Diagnostic Scanner can be used out of box since it comes with existing software. This car OBD2 scanner is capable of reading and clearing trouble codes of all major systems, including engine, airbag or SRS, transmission, ABS, SAS, air conditioning, ACC, audio, headlight, center lock, ESP, suspension failures, etc. It also can temporarily start and control your vehicle's systems for active testing, provide you with accurate data results about troubleshoot and diagnostic problems. Number 4. Brand name, ancel. Model number, FX9000. 7-inch high configuration Android touch tablet with an adjustable bracket. Let you touch it will be more sensitive and accurate. Enjoy a precise fingertip control experience easily. Well-designed user interface makes it easy to find functions you need and understand diagnostic results. Equipped with 6,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, longer running and standby time. Do the all-system diagnosis such as engine, ABS, transmission, SAS, SRS, ESP, TPMS, EPB, and other systems. It also supports full OBD service modes such as read erase fault codes, view freeze frame and live data graph. Provides 15 kinds of free reset functions: oil light, EPB, TPS, TPMS, AFS reset, DPF regeneration, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, gear learning, IMO service, injector coding, BMS, gearbox matching, sunroof initialization, and suspension calibration. Automatic VIN scan to identify vehicles and start the auto detect process. Once the whole process is successfully finished, a diagnostic report will be automatically generated and sent to your email box. It also supports print diagnosis data. Meanwhile, you can use the feedback function to get professional guidance from our technicians when encountering any problems during the operation. Number 3. Brand name, autel. Model number, MaxiPRO MP808. Autel MP808 Professional Autel Scanner offers the best combination of O-level all modules diagnosis, comprehensive reset and service functions, unmatched vehicle coverage and unbeatable value for money. The car diagnostic tool features oil reset, injector coding, ABS brake bleed, SRS, EPB, SAS, DPF, TPMS reset, key fob duplicate, transmission adaptation, throttle adaptation, etc. This autel diagnostic scanner boasts the exceptional O-level diagnosis coverage for all car electronic systems, and stays up to date with modern vehicles. The autel scanner stands apart from others in its sophisticated and user-friendly nature. With just a single touch, this car scanner diagnostic tool will automatically identify a vehicle's make, model and year of manufacture in no time. No need for any manual information input. Also, its fast boot up, clear and crisp screen, logically laid out menus etc. All ergonomic designs are made for user comfort, which place this autel scan tool at a higher level. Number 2. Brand name, launch. Model number, X431 CRP129i. Professional 129i is an evolutionary smart solution for passenger car diagnosis. It inherits from launch advanced diagnosing technology and is characterized by covering a wide range of vehicles, featuring powerful functions, and providing precise test result. CRP129i support multi-protocols test for a complete diagnosis. CRP129i also supports the system diagnosis of engine, ABS airbag, SRS airbag and transmission system. Easily determine the cause of the engine system, and turn off the warning light. Guides you to find out problems in engine, check its real-time operating status, and turn off warning light for making sure engine work properly and safely. Read and clear fault code in SRS and turn off warning light of airbag for making sure engine work properly and safely. This diagnostic tool allows you to read codes, clear codes, and read live data in supplementary restraint system to ensure it works fine. EPB service, reset the brake pad after the repairs in electronic parking brake system are done. By using this system, the braking process is therefore made much simpler and easier. Number 1. Brand name, ancel. Model number, X6. 10.1-inch LED touch screen, large screen, anti-drop, waterproof, visual enjoyment. Android version 7.5 ampere responsive operating system for speeding up the repair work. Long time working high-rate polymer lithium battery for long hours of operation. The ancel X6 is a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, built with the professional workshop in mind. This diagnostic tool has a wide vehicle coverage, and is able to complete a range of car diagnostics that improves the efficiency of vehicle servicing procedures. This OBD2 scanner tool is a tablet-style diagnostic scanner that connects to your vehicle via Bluetooth. OBD2 scan tools are well known for making servicing a vehicle much easier, and always save the mechanic a lot of time and money. This diagnostic tool also can do an engine light reset, as well as an oil reset service. This is a common feature of OBD2 scanners, and is really useful when you want to turn a warning light off after completing a repair. Although it's expected for an OBD code reader to be able to do these things, the ancel X6 does them particularly well. Connecting the ancel X6 OBD2 Scan Tool to your vehicle's CPU is simple and painless, and is done via Bluetooth connection. The connection is reliable and constant, so you won't have any annoying moments when you're struggling to get linked up. The obvious advantage of a Bluetooth connection is that there are no cables, so less clutter in the workshop. The ancel X6 OBD2 device can draw attention to issues with the SRS airbag system. It will read the error codes and tell you what the problem is. SRS is designed to deploy airbags and tighten seat belts in the event of a heavy impact or a crash, so it's important to check that it's all functioning correctly.